This one mistake is why your love handles won't go away. Are you tired of those stubborn love handles clinging to your waistline no matter how many crunches you do? You're not alone. Love handles are one of the hardest areas of fat to lose because your body naturally stores extra energy there. But here's the good news. With the right strategy, you can finally trim down your waistline and melt that stubborn fat for good. In this video, I'll walk you through 9 proven tricks to lose love handles fast, backed by science and real results. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll have a clear game plan to get leaner, fitter, and more confident. Number 1, eat more protein. Boost fat loss with thermic effect foods. Cutting calories is tough, but what if your food could do some of the calorie burning for you? That's exactly what happens when you eat protein. Protein has the highest thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories just to digest it compared to carbs or fat. While carbs and fat only use up about 5 to 15% of their calories during digestion, protein burns 20 to 35%. Aim for 0.7-0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight daily. Not only will this fuel your muscles, but it keeps you full, reduces cravings, and makes fat loss much easier. Think lean meats, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, beans, and legumes. Combine that with whole, single-ingredient foods, and your metabolism will thank you. 2. Cut added sugars. If you want to burn off love handles, sugar is your enemy. Extra sugar spikes insulin, increases belly fat storage, and triggers cravings that keep you eating more. Worse, it desensitizes your taste buds so natural foods don't taste as satisfying. The fix? Cut out sodas, sweetened drinks, and processed foods loaded with added sugar or high fructose corn syrup. Check food labels, because sugar hides in everything from salad dressings to cereals. Reducing sugar intake alone can cause your waistline to shrink dramatically. 3. Limit refined carbohydrates. Not all carbs are bad, but refined carbs, like white bread, pastries, pasta, and most breakfast cereals, digest quickly, spike blood sugar, and leave you hungry again in no time. These foods contribute to fat gain, especially around the belly. Swap them out for slow-digesting carbs like sweet potatoes, brown rice, quinoa, barley, and oats. They provide fiber, keep you full, and stabilize energy levels throughout the day. 4. Eat more soluble fiber. Fiber is your secret weapon for curbing hunger. Soluble fiber in particular absorbs water, swells in your stomach, and helps you stay full longer. It also reduces the amount of fat your body absorbs. Foods rich in soluble fiber include beans, lentils, oats, flax seeds, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and apples. Even adding just 10 grams of soluble fiber per day has been shown in studies to cut belly fat over time. That's as simple as a bowl of oatmeal or a serving of beans with dinner. 5. Lift weights. Focus on compound movements. Here's where a lot of people go wrong. They think endless side crunches or oblique twists will target their love handles. But spot reduction doesn't work. Instead, you need big, calorie-burning, muscle-building lifts that change your whole body composition. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench press, pull-ups, and rows torch calories while building lean muscle. Muscle is metabolically active, meaning the more you have, the more calories you burn even at rest. Start strength training 3 to 4 times per week, progressively lifting heavier, and your waistline will shrink as your metabolism revs up. 6. Add HIIT After Weight Training. Want to supercharge fat burning? Add high-intensity interval training immediately after your lifting sessions. Why? Because by then your body has already used up most of its carb stores for fuel. That means your body is forced to burn fat during HIIT. Try a 15-minute circuit of burpees, squat jumps, mountain climbers, and medicine ball slams. Work hard for 20 to 40 seconds. Rest for 20 to 40 seconds, then repeat. Just 1 or 2 of these sessions per week can accelerate fat loss like crazy. 7. Prioritize sleep. This one is often overlooked, but it's huge. Lack of sleep throws your hormones out of balance, raising cortisol, the stress hormone, and lowering testosterone. That combo encourages your body to store fat, especially around the belly and love handle area. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. Create a nighttime routine. Turn off screens, keep your room cool and dark, and go to bed at the same time every night. Your metabolism and waistline will reward you. 8. Reduce alcohol consumption. Alcohol is a double whammy for love handles. First, your body stops burning fat until the alcohol is processed. Second, alcohol itself is calorie-dense, 7 calories per gram, not counting mixers or snacks you eat while drinking. Beer and wine in particular pack hidden sugars and calories. If you do drink, stick to clear liquors like vodka or tequila mixed with soda water and lime. But the truth is, the less you drink, the faster those love handles disappear. 9. Stay consistent and patient. Love handles don't vanish overnight, but with consistent effort, the fat will come off. Stick to these 9 habits, and you'll start seeing your waistline slim down in weeks. Remember, this isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Each step compounds, and your results will accelerate the longer you stay consistent. So there you have it. 9 simple but powerful tricks to lose love handles fast. Don't waste time on crash diets or endless ab workouts. Instead, focus on these proven strategies and watch your waistline shrink. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more fat-burning tips, and drop a comment below. Which of these 9 tricks are you going to start with today? Let's keep each other accountable. We'll see you in the next video.